In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Miro. Whether you're sketching ideas, highlighting parts of a diagram, or leaving quick visual notes for your team, drawing is a fast, flexible way to communicate on your board. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can get started confidently and keep your flow without hunting for features. Begin by opening your Miro board. From your dashboard, click the board you want to draw on and give it a second to load. If you're already inside a board, you're all set. It helps to center the area where you plan to sketch so you're not zoomed too far in or out. You can also position your canvas so the content you want to annotate is clearly visible before you start drawing. That way, your first stroke lands exactly where you want it. Next, select the drawing tool. On the left toolbar, click the pen icon or simply press the D key on your keyboard. You'll know it's active when your cursor changes and a style bar appears, showing options for how your line will look. If you don't see the pen activate, make sure you haven't selected another object or frame. A quick click on empty canvas usually resolves that. Keeping one hand near the D key makes it easy to toggle the pen on as soon as inspiration strikes. Now choose a drawing color and thickness. Look toward the top toolbar to pick a color that stands out against your background. For a whiteboard, darker tones like black or deep blue are clear and readable. For darker backgrounds, lighter colors pop better. Then set your line thickness. Use thinner lines for detail work and small annotations, and switch to thicker lines for headlines, emphasis, or quick, bold marks. Consistent color and line weight help your drawing stay organized and easy to scan later. Finally, start drawing. Click and hold your mouse to sketch freehand, or use a stylus if you're on a touch screen for more natural handwriting. You can doodle simple shapes, underline important items, circle areas that need attention, or add quick arrows and call-outs. Keep your strokes light and steady, lifting your pointer to finish a line cleanly. If a stroke doesn't look right, use undo to back up without breaking your rhythm. Zoom in for finer details, zoom out for big picture marks, and adjust color or thickness as needed to maintain clarity across your sketch. And that's it. Open your board, select the pen, choose your color and thickness, and draw. With a few minutes of practice, you'll be sketching ideas that your whole team can understand at a glance.